QY series crane hardened gear reducer is developed on the basis of QJ series crane hardened gear reducer. QY series reducer includes QYS type 3 pivots and QYD type base type 2 series crane hardened gear reducer. It has 3 kinds of 3-stage, 4-stage, and 3-4-stage combination type. The product is welded with steel plate. The case is annealed and stress relieved. Processed by boring and milling center. The gears are made of high-quality, low-carbon alloyed steel. The treat surface is carburized and quenched, and processed by group grinding in constant temperature workshop. The product quality is stable and reliable. Shaft and type: high-speed shaft and adult cylindrical shaft extension and flat key connection. There are 3 types of low-speed shaft and 1 P type: cylindrical shaft extension, flat key, single key connection. R H type: cylindrical shaft extension, involute spline connection. 3 E-band type: gear shaft extension. Only reducers with a nominal center distance of 180 mm to 560 mm have this type of shaft end. Applicable conditions: E. Gear circumferential speed is not greater than 20 meters per second. R. High-speed shaft speed is not greater than 1500 per minute. 3. Operating ambient temperature is minus 40 degrees centigrade tilde plus 45 degrees centigrade. Can be forward and reverse operation. QY type reducer is characterized by the following features: high load carrying capacity, gear carburizing, quenching, grinding processing, low carrying capacity. Then the tempered hobbing soft and medium hardened gear reducer has greatly improved. R. Small size, lightweight. Compared with the soft and medium hardened gear reducer, the same load capacity reducer can reduce to 2 for equivalent seat number. 3. High efficiency, low noise, low vibration. The use of grinding gear processing to improve the accuracy level, gears and trimming edge. The combined efficiency of each gear stage is 0.98. Vibration and noise is significantly reduced. 4. The use of multi-stage number, reducing the single-stage speed ratio, can pull open the center distance, reduce the reducer height, to meet the requirements of the crane institutions, reduce the maximum nominal transmission ratio of 400, to meet the requirements of slow-speed cranes. 3. Pivot reducer, can be installed vertically, horizontally, and even deflected at a certain angle. Convenient and flexible. 6. This series of reducer has 3 or 4-stage combination type, i.e., 3-stage assembly type. 4-stage ratio for the slow-speed cranes. 7. Provide the premise for the generalization of slow-speed crane.